Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow effect in GD Full Guide. Start by selecting a clear color palette and creating layered shapes that separate foreground from background. Use masks to confine gradient fills to each element. Apply blending modes and soft gradients for smooth transitions. Test the base composition before adding animation so edits stay manageable and non-destructive. Begin by placing gradient fills on your primary shapes, then align color stops so transitions read smoothly across edges. Use hue-shift modifiers to move the spectrum over time without redrawing. Add subtle noise or blur to reduce banding and preview at actual size. Keep gradients on separate layers to easily fine-tune saturation, brightness, and blending without affecting other assets. Animate the rainbow by keyframing hue or offset values, or use time-based expressions for continuous motion. Add easing to avoid mechanical loops, and consider response to audio or input for interactive projects. Soften banding with noise or dither effects, and always export short tests at final resolution to check compression. Iterate on timing and saturation until the effect feels balanced across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.